greetings to the Hacker Earth team. We are team GM present, and here's a demo of our software PIIShield. So we'll go with the first document, carlos.png. Our model is currently taking input as a file path, and the redactive files will be output in the same path as the source file. For example, let's take carlos.png as our example. So the workflow is, it will initially read the document using an OCR model, an open source OCR model, which will create our bounding boxes as you can see in this image. After which, in case no faces are detected, it will redact the text as follows. It will be blurred. We currently have functional email detection, ethnicity detection, name and address detection. We are yet to work on the standardized PDF handling, and this is also a good example. This is from Jeffrey Epstein's birthday book with possibly sensitive information. So we'll run it through our program again. We'll paste the path and it will redact. Since there's faces present in this image, the pipeline is as follows. We'll get bounding boxes first, then the text is redacted. After redaction of the text, the faces are redacted. So let's look at this. The bounding boxes have been made and the text has been redacted. Now the face model does its magic and voila. There's also another image. Here the text is staggered as well as handwritten. So we'll be trying this. We shall once again be inputting the path of the file. And once again, since it has detected the presence of a face, it will create the bounding boxes, redact the text and then redact the face. So here's our outputs. Our bounding boxes have been created even for the handwritten text, handwritten dates and also ID numbers. And then here's the redacted text. Names, years and signatures have also been redacted in a few cases. And here's our final redacted image with faces redacted as well. This will be further improved by including standardized PDF files or doc files which have copyable text in them, as well as better signature detection, as currently the signatures, if they have a name and are spelled out in letters, they are redacted, but if it's a scribble like any other signature, it is not redacted. Thank you.